If you are downloading random APK files from unknown websites, stop right now and think for a second. Many people see an error like cannot charge or contact the after sales service on their phone screen and immediately start searching for quick fixes online. That is where the real danger begins. When you download unofficial apps or modified APK files from random sources, you are not just trying to fix a simple glitch, you are putting your entire device and personal data at risk. Fake apps can contain hidden malware, spyware, or phishing scripts that silently collect your passwords, banking details, social media logins, and private files. In many cases, hackers design these fake apps to look exactly like the original ones so users cannot easily detect the difference. Once installed, your account can get hacked. Your data can be stolen, and in some situations, your device can even become permanently damaged. This content does not represent any official partnership or endorsement from the respective platform. It is intended solely for informational purposes. Now let us understand the actual reason behind this issue. In most cases, when you see an error like cannot charge or a similar system message, it is not because your phone is completely damaged. Usually, it happens due to a temporary software glitch, a minor bug after a system update, an outdated official app. Sometimes the system fails to communicate properly with the battery or charger, and the device shows a warning message even though the hardware is fine. The safest solution is very simple and most people ignore it. First, always use the official app from the Play Store only. Check if there is an update available and update the app immediately. Developers regularly release patches to fix temporary bugs and glitches. Second, restart your device to refresh the system. Third, check your charging cable and adapter and make sure you are using original or certified accessories. Also clean the charging port carefully because dust can block proper connection. Avoid installing any third-party cleaner apps or so-called booster tools from unknown websites. These apps often cause more harm than good. Remember, when a problem appears suddenly, the safest action is to stay calm and use official sources only. Updating from the Play Store adds a strong safety layer because Google scans apps for malware before publishing them. This safety angle protects your account, your data, and your device. Never risk your security for a quick shortcut fix. Always choose the official and secure method.